Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very beautiful set of fancy soft silk sarees, in which beautiful 3D embossed design is running all over the body, through which unique puttas are woven symmetrically. This set is having a contrast rich pallu and contrast plain blouse. And these sarees are very soft and light in weight and easy to carry. These beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Our payment mode is through online only. And please avoid making a direct call. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. If you want a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you.